Creating a company page. Hey there everyone, did you know that you won't be able to set up most types of LinkedIn ads without a company page? That is right, you will need to set up a company page if you want to serve more than one type of ad on the platform. But what is a company page? A LinkedIn company page is simply a company profile for a business, and its function is to facilitate business-to-consumer relationships in a professional environment. LinkedIn company pages drive 64% of visits from social media to business websites, which means that having a LinkedIn company page gives businesses a greater opportunity to promote their products and services to a better qualified audience. Creating your company page. Creating a company page on LinkedIn is quite easy, but there are some requirements that you need to meet in order to start creating your first company page. You need to have a LinkedIn profile with your real first and last name, a valid website URL, and a verified email address added to your LinkedIn account. Once you are sure that you comply with said requirements, go to your account's dashboard and click on the Work tab on the top bar menu. Now scroll down and click on the Create a Company Page option. Now it is time to set up your company page, and you have to start by entering your company information. First, you have to enter your company name, and then your LinkedIn public URL. Now check the verification box and click on Create Page. Start by updating your cover photo and uploading your logo. Now scroll down to enter the required information. Fields marked with asterisks are required fields. Start by entering a description in the company description field. Now click on the Add Specially button to enter keywords that best describe your company's activities and strengths. Now enter your company's website URL in the Website URL field. Now select your company size, your company's industry, and select your company type. You can optionally enter the year your company was founded in the Year Founded field, although it is not required. Lastly, you'll have to enter your company's location by clicking on the Add Location button. Required location info includes your company's address, city, postal code, province or state, and country, and you will simply have to click on Add Location once you enter the required location info. Additional settings here include Featured Groups, which allows you to search and select up to 3 groups that you can feature on your company page, and Language, which will allow you to control how your company page appears in other languages by selecting your preferred languages from the Language menu. Once you update your company page profile, you will simply have to click on the Publish button. Awesome! Now your page is live and ready for you to start posting and promoting company updates with LinkedIn ads. Remember that you can scroll back up, check that everything is okay, and click on Publish. Now your company page is live. Remember that you can always come to your page to check your company page analytics, your company page notifications, and to manage your page and expand its reach by using the options in the Admin Tools menu. Now that you have a company page ready, you can start promoting your business-oriented content. Yet we feel it is necessary to give you a walkthrough of LinkedIn's Campaign Manager first, which we are going to do in our following video. So tune in.